how to lower or higher the gesture sensitivity on edge of the screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, scroll down and click on navigation bar. After click on navigation bar, click on swipe gesture. After click on swipe gesture, click on more option. After click on more option, you will see gesture sensitivities here. If you want to higher gesture sensitivity, so you will set higher gesture sensitivity. If you want to lower gesture sensitivity, so you will set to lower. So you will set lower and higher sensitivity from here. After set, go back to home screen. So that's how you can lower higher the gesture sensitivity on the edge of the screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.